Motorsports was a way for me to get out of my shell and channel my confidence. The adrenaline, the speed, the corners, it just makes you feel alive. In essence, racing was a form of meditation. The automotive components industry hasn't seen a disruption in decades. The conventional components are heavy, boxy, clunky, inefficient, and plain boring. And most importantly, they are very bad for the environment and the ecosystem. They're usually manufactured by taking a huge block of metal and cutting away the block until the final shape of the product is obtained. So what this means is that, on an average, 80% of the metal block goes to waste. A single car has about 30,000 parts. 15 million tons of industrial waste are produced each and every year, and that's just in the UK. Disrupting the market layer by layer, literally, carbon performance adopts Industry 4.0 or Fourth Industrial Revolution technologies such as artificial intelligence, additive manufacturing to produce lightweight, organic, bionic, automotive and motorsport components. We have our components manufactured or printed, if you will, using additive manufacturing, commonly referred to as 3D printing. We certainly are not reinventing the wheel, but re-innovating by taking bits and pieces of different technology and putting them together to create a solution. Our components are environmentally sustainable because they have zero material wastage, and they make the vehicle cumulatively lightweight and cumulatively reduces fuel consumption. Being a hardware tech company, we have no stock of inventory, no warehouse, since our inventory is digital in form. What this means is that we have a very low carbon footprint. Our current product is a suspension upright designed for a Lotus sports car. It's 25% lighter but with increased stiffness. And the great part is we managed to combine 8 parts into a single component. We are one of the few firms in the entire world to integrate blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, into our manufacturing workflow. The global auto parts market is to reach an enormous £359 billion by the year 2025. 3D printing has come a long way, from desktop plastic printing to printing critical aerospace components. How we see the future? Sustainable transportation, environmental sustainability, and bringing back advanced manufacturing back to the United Kingdom, putting Yorkshire on the innovation map.